Hi guys! Grezi from Switzerland. Today, samahan niyo ako mamasyal around Zurich City, Switzerland. So tara, samahan niyo ako today mag-explore ng museum, lakeside views, Poliban, and quiet places here in Zurich na parang ang sarap lang huminga at magmuni-muni. To get there from our place, sakay muna kami ng bus number 75, then transfer to bus number 10. Yes guys, dalawang bus siya, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun sobrang layo na agad ng city. Around 30 minutes lang ang biyahe. Alam nyo, nakaka-amaze kasi dito sa Switzerland. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry kung nasa na yung bus, kung anong oras darating, kasi pwede mo siyang i-track through apps. At kahit sa bus stop mismo, may digital screen or updated schedule poster sila. Galing mo? Imagine guys, if sa Pilipinas, students and workers didn't need to spend hours stuck in traffic every day. Imagine if commuting wasn't so exhausting. Ang daming Pilipino na sobrang sipag, pero everyday pagod agad bago pa makarating sa work at school. Anyways, bago pa akong maglabas ng sama ng loob sa ating gobyerno, our first stop today is the Natural History Museum of the University of Zurich. Tara, pasukin natin at tingnan natin kung ano ang tinatagong fossil ng Switzerland. Siya nga pala guys, free entrance lang to. Hindi guys sa Pilipinas na puro P, kaya tinatawag na ibang lahi na Philippines. Going back guys, some displays here are 100% original fossils, while some are replicas or reconstructed using real bones. Honestly guys, kahit hindi ka mahilig sa history or sa fossils, ma-amaze ka pa rin because everything is so well-maintained, clean, peaceful, and hindi crowded. And of course, nakaka-amaze rin makita yung mga hayop na meron sila na wala sa Pinas. Pero syempre, mas better experience pa din kung makikita natin sila ng personal. Ito naman guys, yung Etihad Zurich, kung saan nakapagtapos si Einstein. Tapos, sakay ulit tayo ng Poliban for the better experience na ating pagta-travel. Masarap lang magmuni-muni dito. Tapos nangangarap ka na sana may ganito rin sa Pinas. Or sana nandito yung family ko para ma-experience din nila to. Ang sarap lang din isipin guys na ang bansang pangarap ko lang noon. Ngayon, nakikita ko na, nalalakaran ko na, at hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin talaga ako makapaniwala. And syempre, if it wasn't for Jesus Christ and for my husband whom God used as His instrument, I wouldn't have achieved this. At habang naglalakad ako dito, na-realize ko talaga how much Switzerland protect their history and culture. Like old buildings are preserved, public places are maintained for future generations, and maybe that's one of the reasons why life here feels peaceful too. And another thing I love here is sobrang mix ng races and nationalities. Tourist ka man, international student, or someone living here long term, hindi ka masyadong maninibago because Zurich feels very diverse and welcoming. As someone na lumaki sa Pilipinas, sobrang nakaka-eye-opening makita yung difference in system, public places, and quality of life dito. Hindi dahil ayaw ko sa Pilipinas, pero mas lalo ko lang na-realize na ang sipag-sipag ng mga Pilipino and honestly, Filipinos deserve better too. And by the way guys, dito sa bridge na to, pwede kayong maglagay ng padlock kung saan nakasulat yung pangalan nyo ng jowa nyo or ng asawa nyo. At alam nyo ba guys, yung mga padlock sa bridge ng Zurich are called love locks. Nilalagay siya ng mga couples as symbol ng forever love at commitment. Then minsan, tinatapon pa nila yung susi sa river, meaning lock forever na yung love nila. Isa rin sa pinakakilala dito is Lindenhof Hill. Dati, Roman porter siya around 2,000 years ago. Parang watch point nila para bantayan yung ilog at paligid ng city. Ngayon, naging quiet public park na siya kung saan pwedeng magpahinga, mag-relax at mag-enjoy ng view ng Old Town at river. Fun fact guys, dito rin madalas tumambay ang locals, especially mga oldies, naglalaro ng giant chess. It's also a popular tourist spot kasi from here, kitang-kita mo yung mix ng old and modern Zurich. Tahimik pero buhay na buhay yung city vibe. Another famous viewpoint is Uetliberg, kung saan makita mo yung buong Zurich, lake at minsan pati Alps kapag clear ang sky. So overall, Zurich viewpoints are not just for pictures, but for slow moments, science, history, and simple peace in the middle of the busy world. Zurich is not just a modern city but a place full of history and peaceful viewpoints. So ayun guys, for today's gala here in Zurich, nakakamiss lang isipin how city can be a modern yet so peaceful at the same time. Every corner feels like a reminder to slow down and just appreciate life. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next gala, see you next time.